Welcome to the product snapshot of our IBS Hardboard. IBS Hardboard is a multi-purpose high-density fibreboard, ideal for wall panelling, automotive interiors, doors, cupboards, packaging and many other uses. IBS Hardboard has a clean, smooth surface on the face with no grains or knots and does not split, crack or splinter. IBS Hardboard comes in both standard and tempered. Tempered hardboard exhibits identical physical properties to standard hardboard but possesses superior qualities of hardness and water resistance. It can be simply scored, snapped or cut with any common woodworking tools. IBS Hardboard is Super E0, meaning very low formaldehyde, and has no added chemicals or resins. Visit our website for more information as well as available sizes and merchant stockists.